Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneak World, and I am back with another video. Now, we done traveled a little bit outside of Columbus, Ohio. We are down in Cincinnati, Ohio, the Queen City. We're about to try to take advantage of, if you guys don't know, if you haven't checked your Nike Plus app, make sure you go check your inbox. It is friends and 30% off friends and family going on, I think, until the 25th. I could be wrong. I think it's 21st to the 25th. But we're going to take advantage of it now down here in the Queen City. It's not the main reason we're here. The main reason we're here, we're going to go to the Harriet Tubman museum type situation. And we've never been, so that's the main focus of today. And I'll probably try to add a little bit of that into this vlog as well. Some people may not be interested, some people may. I hope that you are, because it's something that I'm really into. But either way, we are going to go into the Nike Outlet first. So let's go ahead and get into the store, see if the Columbus Outlet's terrible. Let's see what Cincinnati, Ohio has to offer. Let's get it. All right, y'all, let's start over here in the kids section. See what they got. Got some low top futures. Got a bunch of these 32s, OKC colorway. They got a bunch of these 3s. This one says 99, but I think I've seen another one that says 79. So I'm assuming these are 79 with the 30% off friends and family. Got some Chucks for 40 bucks. Bars. Let's see what else we got. Got the all red Huaraches. They got a bunch of those 3s. Jeez. Got these Flyknits. What else we got? I ain't seeing a bunch of stuff for the kiddies. Let's keep looking around. We got these for 40 bucks, man. The Legacies, 312s. Got some more of these with the iridescent toe, multi-colors. Got some more fly traps. Camo 5s. 115, they bugging. Platinum tints, 115. Those need to come down some more. Kids. Let's look more. I think these are the women's section. You got that like peanut butter gum bottoms, floral toe box on the Air Max 1s, some pony hair 95s. Do people still wear? Oh, these aren't even Roshis. They some type of Roshi. It's like a hybrid. Some slides. Come on, Cincinnati. What we doing so far? I ain't seen none yet. Yeah, some Cortez, a bunch of Roshi, same stuff from Columbus. Figured I'd move down here to the men's section, see what's popping. Same stuff that's in Columbus. We don't have these down there, but these are trash, so they can keep those up here. We don't have these hustles either. Oh my God. If I see somebody wearing these out in the streets, they're gonna have to give me 5 minutes. They're gonna have to we're gonna have to throw hands. Cause these ain't it. Man, what is going on, Cincinnati? Y'all not putting on for Ohio either, I see. Oh, excuse me guys, sorry. Got these speed turfs, red, white, and blue colorway. You got, yeah, more monies. Oh, I'm so disappointed right now. I hope this hash wall saved this outlet. Look like we got the Kyries. What are these? Tacos, right? Kyrie 5s, 11.5. Down to 109. 30% off friends and family. Got the Zoom Pegasus. It's a different colorway. I like the colorway. I don't know if I'll wear the sneaker, maybe to work out. Got some Olive Soldiers 65. We got these suede Air Force Ones 75. Got some fly knit ones, size 11 and a half. All right, let's see what's in this Jordan box. Look like we got a Jordan 4 box. Oh, that's... And there you go. You got your laser 4s. It's probably a return. Not really a fan of these at all. Alright guys, so I know you're probably not going to hear me because it is mad windy, but we left Cincinnati. On the way home, we're passing the Jeffersonville Outlet. We found one thing at the Nike Outlet there in Cincinnati. They closed their good one down for whatever reason, and the one that they had left, we didn't see much in there. So we're going to stop here at Jeffersonville Nike Outlet to finish this video out and see if they have anything. Alright, this is I think this is the first time I had these in hand, I think. These aren't at the outlet yet, but they are on the way. Anytime that the ones here on the cap, they might have a couple returns. So whatever size is here on the end cap, they might actually have one pair for retail. But these will be at the outlet soon. Last time I was here, they had these, and they bumped the price up from $99 to $129. But they had all size 9.5s last time. Now they have all size 11s. Still got these chlorophylls, which I do not care for. Went over that numerous times, but I don't care for the chlorophylls. Don't like the color blocking. Don't like this being white and this being sail. Should both be the same color. Nothing new has hit the outlet yet since the last time I came. Same things. Only thing different is they're doing 30% off friends and family. So I guess you can get a little bit better deals on things, but this might be the best thing that I've seen in here so far. These 97s. Man, being back in Columbus, well, I guess Cincinnati wasn't no better, but these Nike outlets in this state, man, I can't wait to go to Vegas.
24 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. I don't know what time it is. It's got to be about noon the next day. We got in after everything. it was too late for me to finish the video out, do all the editing and everything else like that to it. So I figured I would just show you guys everything that I got today. It really doesn't matter. I didn't even have to tell you it's the next day outside of me changing my clothes. It is the next day, but I appreciate all you guys that stuck around to the end and watched through not just the Nike outlets, which were, but also through us going to the National Underground Railroad Museum in Cincinnati, Ohio, which was an awesome experience. Hopefully you guys watched a little bit of that, because I did sprinkle that in the video. So let's get into what we did get. Even though, now I got the Nike bag here, but there's nothing inside of it because my son chose to wear what he got to school this morning. So I'll put a picture up of the hoodie, the one thing that we did get from friends and family. I'll put his hoodie up on the screen, a little just a picture, and then I'll show you guys also we stopped at PacSun. And I also got some steals at TJ Maxx. For those of you that don't know, that don't shop at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff like that, steals and deals. And also stopped at H&M. So we were still able to get some things. I'll start off with the smallest things first. I stopped at H&M. If y'all watched in the video, if you noticed in the video that I wore my orange skull cap, and I also unds these beauties. Fly. Super dope on foot with the crimson laces. Crazy. So I unds those. But anyway, I picked up a red skull cap, $3. And I also picked up like this hunter green, $3. Bam. You know what I'm saying? You gotta coordinate. You gotta coordinate. Now, I'll save TJ Maxx for last. Also went to PacSun. Now, they had on their clearance rack, they had buy one get one completely free. So I'm all about the free 99. You know what I'm saying? I took full advantage of that. So obviously, when you get buy one get one free of anything, you gotta pay the higher price item, and the other item is free. This item, I'll show you what it is in a second, but I want to see the price on it. The retail price is $89.50, but it's on sale for $39.99. And all it is this orange and black Nassau windbreaker half zip, and it has Nassau on the front, and it has what does that say? For the benefit of all, right here on this crossbody zip part right here. You can barely see it. I don't know if it's coming up on cam. And then it has Nassau on the hood. Now, this is dope. $40 out the door. But what I got free were these slim fitting joggers with the ankle zips at the bottom. These retail for $54.95 and they were on sale for $50. So all I paid was $50 for both of these pieces, which would have retailed for, I mean, over probably $100 if with tax and everything, if I would have got both at full price, or even at their full sale price. Well over that for complete retail. So that was PacSun. And like I said, I walked out paying $53.49 for both of those pieces at PacSun. Now, let's move on to TJ Maxx. All right, so at TJ Maxx, let's see what all we got. What all did we get here? Got a few things out of TJ Maxx with some crazy prices. For those of us that shop at TJ Maxx from time to time, we know how the prices work there. I'll start off with one thing that Josiah got. Now, these retail for $28, but they were on sale for $15. And all it is these Champion joggers. And it has Champion and script all the way down the left pant leg. Really, really simple, really, really clean. But for half price, you can't beat it. Champion is hot right now. Especially my son loves to wear Champion stuff. Now, This is a Tommy Hilfiger tee. This is for myself. Look at that price tag. Retail is $22.50, but at TJ Maxx, $7.99. Now all it is your typical red, white, and blue Tommy Hilfiger, big H on the left chesticle. There you go, $7.99. Another tee, another red t-shirt. Obviously y'all can tell which one of my favorite colors is. Another red and blue. Retail $19.50. Price tag $10, $9.99. Ralph Lauren polo pocket tee, left chesticle, $10. We ain't even at $20 yet. 2 t-shirts, Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren. Now, the biggest item, biggest purchase of the day outside of the PacSun stuff. I had seen this before and I didn't pull the trigger. And I was like, man, I'm not gonna keep coming in here and looking at this thing and not buying it. I want it, so I'm gonna buy it. Your Chicago Blackhawks, excuse me. Hoodie, hockey jersey. Now obviously it's not an official hockey jersey because they don't come with hoods, but you still got your Blackhawks, obviously big logo on the front, and you got, you know what I'm saying, your cross hammers on the side, on the left sleeve and on the right sleeve. And you got the brand down here, the 47 logo down here at the left hip. And let me see what the retail price on these usually go for. I don't know if it has a retail price. Sorry. Retail price is $99. And you can see the price tag here. It's $59. So $40 off. But what outside of the logo, what really drew me to this is the drawstrings on the neck. I think that's super dope. When I tried it on, I should have took some pictures of it on. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all want me to start doing like some try on type things, like whenever I buy clothing, if y'all want to see me wearing them. I mean, some people do like to see that stuff, some people don't, but I thought it was a good deal. I spent a lot of money, but it's all relative. For what I got, I feel like it was affordable, especially going to PacSun and getting 2 things for $50. Then you got the jersey for $60, and then you got hats for $3 a piece, stuff like that. So I appreciate y'all that made it all the way to the end of this video. I have no idea how long this is going to be once it's all edited down, but I appreciate y'all nonetheless. We're almost at 1,500. Well, we almost at 1,300 subscribers, but the goal is still 1,500. So I'm gonna say we almost at 1,500. We can get there by April. I know we can. It's about to be March. We can get there by April. Let's get it. OV!